What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. It is day 10 of the daily drum challenge, and in this lesson, I'm gonna show you a double pedal metal groove for beginners. This is for you out there who owns a set of double pedals or double bass drums, so if you don't own any of that, you might wanna skip this, but feel free to watch anyway. Let's look at the transcription. You play eighth notes on the hi-hat, or the ride, or whatever cymbal you wanna use. The snare drum backbeat is on 2 and 4, and the bass drum plays 16th notes. As usual, I'm gonna break it down really slow at first, and then we'll gradually increase the speed. It might get a little bit extreme for beginners right at the end of this video, but it's gonna be fun. That's it, you guys, the start of any metal drummer. If you want to watch the entire playlist of this daily drum lesson challenge, you can check it out right here. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, and if you want to see more of this, the best way to do so is to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Good luck with your drumming, and I'll see you in the next one.